Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing on this Christmas party in downtown Detroit. So this will be a quick update. Remember the bell notification, comment down below. Become members of Siege, Brony Killers for industry best value, cheapest, $2.69 a month, or super chat to support the channel with my lovely, beautiful, beautiful audience. Remember to share it, comment down below, and like it to help us push through the YouTube algorithm. And this is going to be a quick update because I have to get down to the Christmas party. You can see the Bitcoin price after we topped out at 103,681. We had a big quick reversal all in a matter of about 24 hours of an 11% or an $11,500 drop, and then we rebounded, and now we're consolidating. And now what I'd be looking at is either you breach this old high here or you're coming down to 89,826 in the Bitcoin price. And if you breach the 103,681, your short-term target is 112,000. And we're going to roll through these coins because I got to make this quick. If we look at Xlm, I've been short-term bearish on this in the hour time frame and in the 4-hour time frame. And I believe we are in the wrong one. I'm in the Robinhood one where my chart's not all up to date. We'll go right here, then we'll go back into the full screen. And I've been short-term bearish since we topped out up here at the local high, or a 4-year high since COVID, is 63 cents because we 7x'd itself in a short period of time. And right now we bounced a couple of times off of the 43 cents, the 43 cents, and now we're getting close to the 43 cents again. And if we hit that 43 cents again, there's a higher percentage chance of it breaking through that 43 cents. How do I get it probably won't do it. And I'm in the full screen, so we're going to exit out, and then we'll go in here. No, how did we do that before? There's a button here. There we go, undo, bam. It's in that. I got to remember full screen. If we break through, come on, really, you're going to hit that same thing again. If you break through this 43 cents, your first underneath support in the 4-hour time frame would be the 200-day moving average. As you can see now, the 50-day and the 100-day in the red and the blue respectively are very, very close, and we're sitting just on or just below the 50 in red at 49 cents. Your first underneath support would be 32 cents, and then your major underneath support from back here after this first big pump would be there at 24 cents, and that would still be a very, very bullish consolidation. But that is what I'm looking at right now. I'm still short-term bearish, and I would hedge that this is going to come down and tap the 32 cents. The XRP, the same thing. I've been a little short-term bearish on this. And from our 6-year high, we've consolidated down as much as 25%, but at current price, it's only 12.84%. And the 335 is near the all-time high. If you can breach this regional 6-year high of 291, you would shoot up very, very quickly to the 350, 335, which is possible. But like Xlm, this thing is 7 or 8x itself. So I'm a little short-term bearish, long-term bullish, and I still think these underneath moving averages, after we've nearly triple bottomed here, near the 220 to 225, I am thinking that it's going to come down and tap this 199 and possibly 167 before making its next major rally, but we'll keep an eye on that. AMP, I'm short-term very, very bullish. And if you look at AMP, I think we're setting up into the stage of where we have this big pump and consolidation 1, big pump and consolidation 2, big pump and consolidation 3. I think we're loading up again for a major pump. And on the next major pump, a targeted move would look something like this. You can see what I'm talking about here. Pump, long consolidation, pump, long consolidation, pump, another long consolidation. And I'm thinking this is going to break to the upside. And our next major breakout would bring us right up here to our first target of about 2 1/3 cents. And then that would bring us into that bottom part of that green major resistance zone, where if you can break above that with the VP fixed volume profile, there isn't much volume in there, and it could pump really quick up to 5.5 to 5 3/4 cents. And from the price that we bought it at, that would get us to our underneath target of a 3x move to potentially a 10x move, right in that range. And I think we're about to load up for another major breakout. If we look at Algo, Algo's been having a phenomenal run, and it's hitting right now major upper resistance. As you can see, the area right here in white was an area, if you put the VP volume indicator on there, there wasn't a lot of trading, so it shot straight through. After trading through the red trading zone, we got initially rejected. If we can get back into this green trading zone, 90 cents is your upper target. If we get rejected by this bottom part of this green trading zone, you'd be looking at to come down near that 200-day moving average in the 4-hour time frame at about 35 cents. And then if we take a quick look at DGB, it's somewhere in here. There it is. My lovely subscriber wanted DGB, so we're going to keep updating this. You can see from when we talked about it the other day, it has still gotten rejected off of the 2 1/3 cents, and you would be looking to stay on a first major decline from where you're at now. It would come back down to the 200-day moving average of about just over a penny, right? Would be your major underneath support. And if you can build the base and you can get on top of this, then you can make a big move to the upside. But right now we're looking to try to break this 2 1/3 cents. If not, you're going to come back down and trade. And you can see where if you broke that 2 1/3 cents in DGB, your next major upper target would be 4 cents or 4 3/4 cents. And if you get rejected and you start to trade back down in a short-term consolidation, the 200-day moving average about just over a penny and a quarter would be your major underneath support zone. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.